Are you folks going to be going through the rock? No? We take care of the efficiency.
I like that.
All right. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's a pretty one.
Yeah. Look at the horn. See the bulb?
Yeah.
Look at the little baby seat.
Is there a baby seat?
Yeah.
And did you get pictures of? Oh my gosh, how cute is that?
I'm taking videos just walking around them.
But the other thing is it has four-wheel hydraulic brakes, so you can stop from that. I wouldn't bother with the trailer. I throw my suitcase in back and go to the tour. But, well, were you at the Mount Vernon? Well, I know there was some good ice cream, but what's her?
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's really cool too.
Yeah.
I would like to do it with, well, I did see the snappers and the HCCA jointly put on the Kalamazoo tour a year ago, didn't they, or 2 years ago? Yeah, it was pretty good. I've kind of been there and done that. Well, I hadn't. It was a nice tour. It was too damn flat. So, yeah.
No problem with flat here.
No, I don't have that problem. Well, I suppose I should see if I'm
Man, one of these skis up on the hill, too.
That'll make it
It's great that I think it's a side thing.
Or they could do a different a little bit of that chair there. Make yourself look bigger. Yeah. What did you say?
If I ever encountered a chair, it would not.